New details of Donald Trump's alleged attempts to overturn the 2020 election have been revealed. It comes in newly unsealed court filings. Now, the document contains previously unknown accounts from Trump's closest aides. It reveals the most comprehensive picture yet of what Trump allegedly tried to do in that landmark case. Now, prosecutors allege that the former president intentionally lied to the public. A furious Trump took to social media saying, "I did nothing wrong, they did." Parmeshwar Baba brings us this report.
Donald Trump resorted to crimes in a failed bid to cling to power after losing the 2020 election, U.S. federal prosecutors have declared. In a newly unsealed 165-page court filing that argues that the former U.S. president is not entitled to immunity from prosecution. The filing was submitted by Special Counsel Jack Smith's team in response to a recent Supreme Court decision on presidential immunity. Mr. Smith filed the motion seeking a determination Trump was acting as a private citizen and not as the president when he sought to overturn the 2020 election. The new filing cites previously unknown accounts offered by Trump's closest aides to paint a portrait of an increasingly desperate president who, while losing his grip on the White House, used deceit to target every stage of the electoral process. This filing is probably the last opportunity for prosecutors to detail their case against Trump before the 5th November election, given there will not be a trial before Trump faces the Democratic Vice President, Kamala Harris. Trump has pleaded not guilty to 4 criminal charges accusing him of a conspiracy to obstruct the congressional certification of the election, defraud the U.S. out of accurate results, and interfere with Americans' voting rights. Trump's lawyers have opposed allowing Smith to issue a sweeping court filing laying out their evidence, arguing it would be inappropriate to do so weeks before the election, so much of the material will not be made public until a trial. While Trump's campaign says the filing is falsehood-ridden and unconstitutional, again calling it an attempt to interfere with the November election, analysts argue that if Trump were to win the election this time, he could direct the Justice Department to drop the charges currently against him. Parmeshwar Bava for NDTV World.